Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you activate your suspended account or how can you unlock your suspended account on TikTok which is due to multiple violations or community guidelines. So guys, if your account has been suspended and you are unable to activate it, here I will show you how can you activate. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now open TikTok in your device. And from here you can see the sign up page or login page on my TikTok app. So guys, from here you have to simply tap on this question mark button from here. So guys, tap on this. And from here you have to tap on suspended account. So guys, tap on this. And from here tap on check if your account has been suspended. And here you can see this, your account can be seen whether it is active or suspended. In case your account is suspended, then you have to go back. And from here you have to tap on other option from here. And wait here for some seconds. And from here you have to tap on need more help. And wait again for some seconds here. So guys, from here you have to simply add a screenshot of your suspended account from this button. So guys, here you can see this. After this you have to simply explain your problem in a brief way in this box. So guys, here you can see this, you have to simply explain your problem in a brief way that you have not violated any community guidelines but your account is suspended. And after this you have to give here your phone number and email address that is associated with your TikTok account. So guys, explain your problem in a brief way in here, and after this you have to simply submit this report to the TikTok team. So guys, the TikTok team will oversight this matter and they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours if there are no community guidelines violation on your TikTok account. So guys, hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.